More efficient, more dynamic and better value than before, the new Lexus LS is set to stir up trouble for other large sedans in the prestige market. Lexus has been a disruptive force in the market since the first LS400 of 1990. This new model is carrying on in the same tradition, dropping the V8 engines of the previous models for a twin-turbo performance V6 and a fuel-sipping Atkinson cycle V6 for the hybrid model. The new GAL platform underpinning the LS is shared with the LC Coupe, which also lends its multi-stage hybrid drive system for the LS500H. At 6.6 litres per 100 kilometres, the hybrid LS uses more fuel than the Mercedes S350D, but CO2 emissions are very close. And now repositioned in the market, the petrol-electric Lexus undercuts this cheapest Benz S-Class by hundreds of dollars. While it's highly refined, the twin-turbo LS500 will cut loose, accelerating to 100 kilometres per hour from a standing start in 5 seconds, whereas the hybrid takes a little longer. As well as the two powertrain variants, the LS is offered in 2 trim levels, the dynamically tuned F-Sport model or the luxury-oriented Sports Luxury, priced just $5,000 higher. Lexus expects the majority of buyers to pay the extra for the flagship, which is significantly better equipped. The F-Sport is aimed at roughly 1/3 of buyers looking for a more enjoyable driving experience, and the car comes with a 6-step vehicle dynamic integrated management system, 4-wheel steering and adaptive variable suspension. Active anti-roll bars are standard for the LS500 F-Sport. Both cars ride on 20-inch wheels and multi-link air suspension, and the Sports Luxury tested proved to be extremely quiet and composed at touring speeds. Sports modes are available to adjust the steering weight, ride properties and power delivery. In normal or comfort modes, the Sports Luxury models ride very comfortably. Steering is light enough to satisfy most buyers, but will firm up sufficiently in sport mode. Lexus designers have gone to some lengths to make the interior of the LS highly inviting. The touchpad is not a complete success for right-handed drivers, but basic audio and climate control functions are available through redundant controls anyway. Cars in this market sector pamper the rear seat occupants, and the Lexus is no different. Over 1 metre of legroom and separate controls for seat adjustment, audio and climate control are all part of the package. Looks are always in the eye of the beholder, and the LS is likely to polarise opinion. The striking nose could be an acquired taste, and the flanks around the rear doors and C-pillars resemble the styling treatment of the Toyota Camry, which is not ideal for an upmarket sedan like the LS. And the rear quarter panels appear to share design DNA with the Prius. But the LS is a lot of car for all that. Lexus is offering the new model with 10 years of roadside assistance for no extra charge. For less than $10,000 more, the LS can be specified with different trim options, including pleated leather and hand-cut Carico glass. There's no doubt that the new Lexus LS is an outstanding addition to the market, but can it match or beat Mercedes S-Class, priced just $400 higher at entry level? On balance, the answer appears to be yes.